Okay, so in this video, we're gonna see how we're gonna put titles in our headers that we created in the previous video, the header section. So I'm gonna go ahead and launch the app here, build the app, and gonna let it build here. And this is our app so far from the previous video. By the way, I just want to mention something. If you see that this table looks a little weird with the sides here cut off, that's mainly because that was my fault. I didn't extend the table all the way to the edge. So if I go ahead and rebuild the app now, you'll see that it looks a bit more normal, a bit more conventional. Pretty cool. Okay, so now what we're gonna do here is we're gonna add titles to these sections right here. So this section right here and this section right here. Okay, well, how do you do that? This one is really simple. All you have to do is call up the function or the method, and the function or method is called TableView title for header in section, which is this thing right here. So once you find it, go ahead and hit return to call it up. And all we have to do here is we have to return a string, right? And this will be our header. Except I'm not gonna do that yet. Why? Because we have two sections here. I need a header for here and I need a header for here. So how do we do that? Well, I'm gonna go ahead and create another array here. I'm gonna call it, say, my titles. Okay, and it's going to be an array of string, and this is a very simple array. It'll have simply two arrays, and it'll have two strings in this array, and the first string will be the title of this section, and the second string will be the title of this section. So the first title will be, I don't know, fruits. And the second title will be color of fruits, and I spelled color here the Canadian way. And essentially, once you have your array, all I have to do here is go back here and come back here and call up the actual array. So I go return, and instead of actually returning just a string, I'm going to call up my array. In this case, it's called my titles, right? And I'm going to say section, and that's it. So it's going to go into my array, and it's going to go section by section, and it's going to find two strings, and it'll apply this string as the title of this array of that section in my multi-dimensional array, my fruit, and I'll apply this string to this array right here. Cool. Now if we go ahead and run this, and we see the app, you'll see here that says fruits for this, and it'll say color of fruits for this. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.